Hi everybody, Emma here. So I'm going to do a video tonight about using a Baba Sling. Emma Rose was in touch and she'd found one stashed away in the loft and she's got a 2-week-old baby at home. So where have I got it now? Here we go. So she thought it was going to be that it's similar to a ring sling, but the position that the manufacturer recommend for newborn babies is a lying down position. So I'm just going to go through this. So yeah, with the Baba Sling, it's a bit hard to see on here. You've got this padded shoulder strap. So it is on one shoulder, which is similar to a ring sling. The back has a clip on top and another safety clip at the bottom, so I'll just unclip that to show you. So it's there, so there's two, that's the safety one, and then there is an extra one on top that you can adjust a bit more, so you can adjust the top and the bottom rails independently. So the way to put it on, actually I need to take my jumper off for this. So the way to put it on can go on either side. So by all accounts at the moment, yeah, you're thinking it does look very similar to a ring sling. So the difference is that you can't adjust it when baby is in. And so the recommended way, I've actually just looked at the video. I played with a Baba Sling years ago when I did my training. It's not something that we use very much at the Sling Library, because this position is it's not as supportive as many slings. As a baby wearing consultant, I always recommend babies tummy to tummy. So this position here that is being recommended, it might work for a short period of time, maybe for breastfeeding, I think would be a good one. I wouldn't be happy to recommend baby in this position for a long time. One, because it's you know, they're not held tight against you. Legs are not supported in an M shape, with bum down and knees up. Often lots of babies don't actually want to be lying down, they want to be up here where they can see you. And finally, and probably most importantly, it's really difficult to make sure that baby's chin is off the chest here. So if you've got baby's head kind of supported there, it's really easy to get them kind of curled up and not great. So the other way that is shown on the Baba Sling videos is this way, and again I'm really not happy about having baby in this position. I think it's even worse really, chin to chest, and you know, the video does say keep taking them out and putting them in until it feels right, but it is very difficult, and the legs, it's just impossible to have the legs in an ergonomic position as baby gets older. So I think the recommendations is from 4 months that you can do more of this position. So this up behind the back of the knees, bum down, but obviously a little baby, you've got a lot of slack there and there's no way of tightening that up while it's on. I wonder if you could do it from the back. Not that easy. So I would say if you've got a Baba Sling, save it until baby's a little bit older, because it can be really useful as a quick, you know, have it under the pram, have it under your car seat. Once they're much bigger and holding up the head, you can just have them in a nice hip carry there. So that is your ring sling position that we teach. Again, it's probably not quite as supportive as a ring sling because you can't pull in and have them really close to you, but you can maybe adjust it before it goes on, so that the top rail there, we could see if we could pull just that top rail in a bit and having that out on your shoulder. There is also a forward facing position that you can use, but it's not going to be the most supportive for you or baby. But if you're keen to try forward facing around the house or on a quiet walk, that can be something to experiment with. I wouldn't leave baby in there for longer than about 20 minutes at a time. They can get a bit overstimulated when they're facing out, and they're stuck there. There's no way of them kind of turning in to you when they've had enough. And it does feel quite a lot heavier as well when baby's forward facing. But always try to keep baby's hips tucked, knees above bum. So in this case I've got baby's legs crossed in front of them. So yeah, can be something to play with. But for a newborn, it's not something that I would recommend for long extended periods. Stick with either a ring sling, a stretchy wrap, or a specifically designed structured carrier. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for everyone that came to Sling Meet today. It's been really busy. I just wanted to show you the Tula baby blanket that we're going to raffle off this weekend. So everyone that has left us a review over this month, a review or a recommendation, yeah, you're going to go into a draw for that, as well as getting your Wadella goodie bag from us. So yeah, keep leaving the reviews, everybody. Thank you very much, and see you soon.